capital Q 30. Okay. IP address 172.17.30.10 255.255.255.0. Enter. Okay, so we're in, and we've gotten both the sub interfaces set up. So all we need to do now is exit out of here and verify that we have our interfaces set up. Okay, so basically, now that we've gotten those set up, let's see where we're at on our directions. I think we're doing just great right now. Okay. We just need to do a show IP interface brief now that we set them up. Okay. And it says that they are down. The IP interfaces are down. The G's, the gigabytes are still down. So we're gonna test connectivity anyway. After we enable G00, always follow your steps. So what we got to do now is enable G00, and that's pretty easy. Just get back into your conf T mode, interface G0/0, and after we get that, put a no shut, and see, change the state to up. So we've enabled G00, verified that the sub interfaces are now active. So in order to do that, let's just go back to show IP interface brief. I need to exit out of one more. There we go. Okay. Oh my, what am I doing here? Oh boy. There we go. Sorry guys. Show IP interface brief. We're gonna get there. Oh my god, we got it. So see, now they're all changed to up, and that's good. Gigabyte 1's down, but we just want to make sure 00 could get up and running first. So now that we configured G00, we're gonna test the connectivity and see if it can work now. So go from PC1 to 3 again into our command prompt. Let's see if we get somewhere this time. Request timeout. Request timeout. Request timeout. So we're still not getting there, and you probably, if you read the directions, you would know that before I even did this. So we have to enable trunking. So now that we know that's the next issue, let's go to switch 1 command line interface. Get in here. And then what VLAN is G01 assigned to? Right now it's on the port. We want it assigned to one of our VLANs, either 10 or 30. So because the router was configured with multiple interfaces assigned to different VLANs, the switch port connecting to the router must be configured as a trunk. Enable trunking on interface G01. How can you determine what the interface is a trunk port? We already checked that out. But to get 01 done, we want to go back into conf T exec mode. Conf T exec mode. Okay. And enter G0 / no, hold on. Enter interface G0/1. There we go. I swear if I could just type, this would be 10 times easier today. And we want to go switch, port, mode, trunk. Remember when we did that with access? Now we're trunking this. Now it changed the state to up on 01. The only thing you have to do to verify this is exit out of here, exit back out of exec mode, and do a show interface trunk to make sure that it got trunked. And there it is, G01 on encapsulation status trunking with native VLAN 1. G01 is now trunked on VLAN instead of port, allowing traffic for the VLAN. Okay, all we have to do now is go to simulation mode to run this correctly. Let's make sure we haven't skipped anything. Oh yeah, one more thing. Let's show a VLAN on here. Did we do a show VLAN? I think I did, but let's just double check. Okay, yeah, we did. We did a show VLAN. Okay, I'm good. Just making sure. Okay. We switch to simulation mode on here to ping. And by the way, let's just get that out of there. Okay. Get your little envelope from PC1 to PC3. You should see ARP requests and replies between switch 1 and R1, and then ARP requests between R1 and switch 3. Then PC1 can encapsulate ICMP echo requests at the proper date link later. Information in R1 will route the request to PC3. So let's just capture forward and see how it does. Goes from PC1 to switch 1. Switch 1 goes to router 1. Router 1 goes to switch 1. Switch 1 goes back to PC1. In progress. And it looks like it's actually getting through and doing what we need it to do now. Alright, let's check out how everything's going now. See, it's receiving frames and we're not seeing errors anymore, so we're getting full connectivity now. So let's see that successful. So let's go to real time real quick and ping this one more time. Now, I watched this last time, and the first time it should request a timeout just on the first one, but actually we're getting replies on everything, so that's really good. And we're having a very successful connectivity now. Looks like everything's going good. And that is how you connect from, that's basically the assignment, is just verifying connection and setting it up properly so you can have your network running. And that's my packet tracer configuring router on a sticker Inter-VLAN routing. Thanks for joining me on my video. Any comments or questions, let me know. Have a wonderful day.